Okay, this is my laptop. I bought a battery. I will show you what is going on. I bought a battery from AliExpress. You can see fully charged, considering replacing your battery. This is my HP original battery that is not okay. Now I'm changing to the battery that I got from AliExpress. This is what I got.
Turn off.
I'm putting this in. I'm turning on. And it's not even turning on. Nothing is happening. And you can see that it's not even, no light, that it's not charging even. Putting, it's not even charging. It worked for a few days and not working anymore. So please return my money.